Hi, and welcome to your AM meditation number 2. So today we're doing what I'm going to call the sunshine meditation. We're letting energy in and we're tuning into a mudra that connects with that. So we'll be doing a hand position. The mudras are ancient hand positions from yogic philosophy that are said to have an effect on your mind, body, and heart. And this one is Pushan Mudra. So it's tuning into the sun god. We're letting that sunshine in. And he is a deity from Hinduism that represents nourishment. So your left hand, and the thumb will connect with your middle and ring finger, okay? And then the right hand, your thumb will connect with your index and middle finger. Index and middle finger. The hands can rest wherever you like. Let's settle into a comfortable seat. Closing down the eyes. Turning on the lights within. Let's take a big inhale through the nose. And sigh or exhale. Let that flow. And then release the sigh. And fall into a natural breath rhythm. Dropping the shoulders, shining the front of the heart a little bit higher and wider, just opening up your chest. As you're breathing here, let's invite an affirmation into the mind. I thankfully accept everything that is good for me. I let it have its effect within me, and I release everything that is spent. Maybe saying that to yourself within the mind. I thankfully accept everything that is good for me. I let it have its effect within me. And I release everything that is spent. Opening yourself up to receive all the good things that are coming your way. All of the good energy that is available for you to absorb today. Each breath pulling in fresh energy, fresh prana. Exhales, we release, we eliminate the apana, the unserving. Maybe you woke up feeling a little bit tired today. Let's shift into a more alive and awake part of ourselves. Letting in the sun, letting in some heat, fueling your digestive center through the belly. Take full breath down to the belly. Feel the connection of the thumb to the fingertips on each hand. Feel the back body strength holding you in your tall seat. The tailbone, the sit bones grounding you down, bringing you out of the mind. Notice what's rising up always. Taking the seat of the observer in our meditations. Centering ourselves, coming back home. Let's release the mudra. Bring your hands onto the belly. Some more focused breathing. Inhale slowly through the nose. Hold the breath in. And then exhale through the nose. Feeling the belly empty and contract. Another breath in. And out. Sitting with yourself here. Let's bring the hands to heart center. Last breath to seal off your meditation. Always feel free to stay longer if you desire. Let's take an inhale. And an exhale. Thank you so much for being here.